Success in process development really is a question of balancing the rigor of the scientific process with the creativity required to find innovative solutions.
One major focus is to make sure that the process is robust and reproducible. Our scientists from process development and bioassay development interact and work collaboratively together in one team. We focus significantly on making sure that the analytical methods are evolving as we are doing the process development, and they go hand in hand. We work very closely with our manufacturing as well as our MSAT team, Manufacturing Science and Technologies, from early on to make sure that the process that we develop meets the GMP design consideration. We evaluate the materials. We dissect every single unit operation. We employ the best practices in terms of process development and process optimization, including implementation of in-process controls, in-process monitoring techniques, and also innovative technologies that can be used to address these process challenges.